So now add the monkey.gif file in the asset folder and add it to the pubspec-yaml over here. Now inside the column we have to add a container. Inside container, let's type child, and we are going to add a stack. Inside stack we are having a children. Inside the children we are going to add an image with image asset image with path. Inside the assets folder we have to display the GIF file, and let's give the height to 130 and width to 130, and let's save this. Now we have got this, so let's give height and width to this. Height 100, width 100, and let's add some decoration, box decoration, and here colors dot white, and then here we have to give shape rounded rectangular border dot. So, or else we can give border radius, border radius dot circular into 100 or 20. So we have to make it center, so I am going to give an alignment dot center. Now it has come to center. We have to make it a circle, so I am giving 50. Let's check for 50, and more 70. Yeah, now it looks like a circle.